Changing the active cell. To change the active cell in a worksheet, you can either use the keyboard or the mouse pointer. When working with a mouse, just click on the cell you want to make active. Given below are the keys and their functions to change the active cell in a worksheet. Enter key. It moves the active cell down one row. Shift plus Enter key moves the active cell one row up. Shift plus Tab key moves the active cell one column to the left. Tab key moves the active cell one column to the right. Left arrow key moves the active cell one column to the left. Right arrow key moves the active cell one column to the right. Up arrow key moves the active cell one row up. Down arrow key moves the active cell one row down. Control plus Home key moves the active cell to the first cell, that is A1. Control plus End key moves the active cell to the last used cell on the worksheet.